Xentrall are a public sector partnership between two neighbouring unitary authorities, Stockton-on-Tees and Darlington councils. Xentrall employs about 130 staff and they provide services to the two councils, of which there are 4,800 users. The core network switch for our data centres was at the end of its service life. We had a fairly specific set of requirements. We went out to tender and Cisilion won with the lowest cost and the highest quality response. The solution Cisilion provided was to identify and specify two core network switches to go into the two data centres that we support. They also specified a number of significant switches to go into our DMZs of both data centres and to wrap that up in a 5-year maintenance contract. Cisilion won with the lowest cost and highest quality tender, and we were reassured by their extensive knowledge in the public sector. The implementation of the core switches was similar to carrying out open heart surgery on our networks. This was undertaken with excellent technical support from Cisilion consultants. The reason why we chose Team Cisilion is because we benefited from excellent account management, brilliant pre-sales technical consultancy and really good project management that's managed to steer us through some really tricky strategic projects in the past.